Yeah. Fuck. Shit, nigga. Where the love at in the hood, nigga? Yeah. Y'all thought this was some DMX shit. Nah. This is Lace Dogs and Mike's Mix. Shit, nigga. Put your hood up. Hit 'em live. Put your hood up. Put your hood up. Fuck, niggas. Fuck. With a love at. Nigga hating on me, he catch a slug black. With a love at. If a nigga hating on me, he can slug black. With a love at. If a nigga snaking on me, he catch a slug black. What? Might tell these niggas, man.
I show no love. I don't even love my brother and my sister and my daddy fucking cause my mama under this. She done fell under. She done dead now. Niggas don't know what I fucking said when I come hard. That's cause I hit 'em in the head. And if you a bitch, you got it in the eye cause I come hard. She didn't know, now she had to fucking die. Real slow. Motherfucking kids are throat, mom. Fuck 'em. I don't love a damn thing. I don't trust 'em. I don't know who's gonna turn on me next. I'm trying to watch my own neck. Nigga try to be a rough neck. Try to get fucked up. Nigga don't know a nigga like me. And fly going to get 'em, hit 'em, slit 'em. Tell 'em before I get 'em.
Yeah, nigga, where the love at? I don't even think they know what love is. Yeah, nigga, where the fucking love at? Nigga hating on me, he catch a slug black. Nigga, nigga, lace dog, nigga. It's Yacht Diesel, pistol holder. And I'ma tell you right now, I'll fold your ass worse than anybody's folder. Niggas trying to pull my whole car, what? I'll see you later on, nigga. I ain't down for no stunts. I know you rolling 30 deep, probably just rolling 1 deep. But I'll see you later. I bet y'all put your ass 6 feet deep under the turf. Niggas know y'all to do this shit for what it's worth. It's real, nigga. I used to snatch purse. I used to be at the club starting for dirt. Nigga, I put in work on these fucking streets. Is y'all niggas sleep or is y'all niggas really cheap? I'm telling you, nigga, I break you down like Fritos. Niggas know y'all right there.